Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fidaus bin Fakrul Nazi. I am from class E40. So today I will teach you guys how to use the word more efficiently and properly in terms of table of content. Many people think that word used only to write an essay, but it can be more than that. So today, you guys need to watch this video until end so you guys can apply the table of content for your assignment and for your group project. Now we will begin to make the table of content. So the making of table of content, I divide it into three parts. The first part is modify the heading. So in this heading, I will use three heading. And for the second part, we will write the content. And the third part, I will generate the table of content. So firstly, you guys need to click on Word and click Open and choose the blank document. After that, you guys click Home and click on Heading. This is called Heading 1. And right click on Heading and click on Modify. So it will show us right this so we can modify the heading. So firstly, I will choose the writing format Times New Roman, but you can change it based on your format. And the size I choose 16. For the font style, I choose the bold and the color is black. I repeat again. The writing format I choose Times New Roman. The size format I choose 16, and the font style I choose bold, and the font color I choose black. So click on OK, and we will go to the heading 2. So for the heading 2, you just need to click this and click on heading 2 and right click on heading 2, click on modify. So firstly, it will show like the first heading. So we need to modify it and choose Times New Roman, and for the size I choose 11. So to differentiate it with the heading 1, I choose the font style is italic and the color is black. So click OK and we will get the heading 2. So for the heading 3, we will just need to click on heading 3 and right click on the heading 3 and click on modify. So you guys need to click on this and choose your format writing. So in this case, I will choose Times New Roman. And the size I choose 11. And the font style I choose italic. So when we want to differentiate it with the heading 2, so I will choose blue color for the heading 3. Okay, so now we get three heading that we've been modified. So we will go to the second part, which is write the content. So the function of a heading 1 is to write your main idea. And heading 2 is when you want to classify your idea, but the heading 3 is used when you want to specify more your idea. For example, I choose heading 1 and I write it with 1.0 type of animals, and I click enter and I go to home again and go to heading 2. I write it as 1.1 mammals, and I click on heading 2 again, 1.2 fish. So what I do with the heading 3, I use the heading 3 to specify it more. So 1.1.1, which is elephant. And I want to specify the fish. So I click enter. I choose the heading 3 and I write it as 1.2.1, which is pattern. So that now we will done write the content. So you need to put your pipe at the beginning and click on insert. When we go to the insert, we need to page break it so we can get a new blank page to put the table of content. So when we want to separate it, you just put the pipe on the end of your word and go to insert and page break. So now your type of animal in another page. So you when you want also to separate the page of mammals and fish, you go to the insert and click again on page break. Now we get three page, which is type of animals, mammals, and fish. So now we will go to the last part, which is generate the table of content. You need to put your pipe in this page and go to reference and click on table of content. There are a lot of table content that are being provided, but for today I will choose the automatic table 2. When you click on it, you can see that the table of content that being generated. So as we see that type of animal in page 2 and elephant in page 3, mammals in page 3. So when you want to update your table of content, you just need to right click on the table of content and update table and go to the update entire table and click OK, so that your table of content will be updated to the latest version. Okay guys, so that's all from me, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you have question you can just leave it in the comment, so I will reply it as fast as possible. So bye guys.